Yeah. Now is my time. Now is my time.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're unboxing, we're unpackaging the new Supreme TNF stuff that came in from last week. What is that, week 16, 17? Regardless, it's here. I caught two things. Not a lot of people were a fan of this TNF drop. Me, myself, I was indifferent about it. Said I had a cop stuff just in case I changed my mind when I saw it in person. But here we have two stickers dropped. Last time I unboxed Supreme, I got no stickers, by the way. Here we have the day pack bag. Yeah, this printed day pack, the TNF one. It's pretty small. Okay, we'll just unwrap it and everything. Retail on this bag was $128, I believe. Does it have the tags on it? How much I paid? No, it doesn't. Honestly, this would have been the best Supreme collab if this was like textured a little bit. So I guess if it was like real snakeskin, price would have been a little bit more, but it definitely would have been way better. This just it feels flimsy, but this is just a backpack, I guess. And hopefully the next thing I unbox will be a little bit different. This just reminds me of like those Jansport bags that everyone had in middle school. Yeah, I don't know how much stuff this will hold, but it's not that deep. Overall, though, it doesn't look like a bad book bag. But yeah, this is a decent everyday wear bag. Just a little bit small. I feel like only girls should be wearing this bag, actually. So yeah, guys, cop this shit for your girls. Actually, you can't see how it is behind me, but I'll definitely watch the video and I'll let you know my last opinions on it. That's it. Oh, actually, with the second pocket, it's actually pretty deep. You never know. Might use this for school, might sell this. Not really reselling for anything, maybe like 50 bucks profit. Yeah, that's the backpack. In case you got the cameraman wants to come in. It's honestly like the best part is just both sides next to each other. But yeah, the black colorway was the best one out of the green one. The green one looks very like toxic and disgusting. But yeah, I won't box the second thing. This is the black coach jacket. This restocked like 3 times. One of the times was like very late at night and it sat for like a couple minutes and nobody really knew about it. Like I said, when everyone's monitor stopped running. But yeah, this jacket actually still sold out in seconds, even though people hated this collab. I'm gonna just try this on for you guys, even though it's extremely hot in my house. Usually I like when my stuff fits large, but like oversized on me. And then this Supreme season, everything has been fitting bigger than it usually does. I think retail on this was $258. I already sold this jacket. This is one of my boys, you know who you are. Gave it to him for a great deal. They show the size right here. This is just the cleanest part of every Supreme TNF, is just the tags like right on top of each other. But yeah, this is like a rain jacket. Like I guess it stops when obviously we stop the rain. We'll just try it on real quick. See how oversized it is. See if I want to change my mind about selling it. Look myself in the mirror real quick right behind me. Yeah, this jacket honestly isn't bad. Let me button it up real quick. Yeah, it doesn't fit that oversized on me, but still it's a little big. Definitely feels like a very nice rain jacket. All the fit pics I saw with this jacket on were absolutely garbage the day of the release. But yeah, this was textured. This would feel so much better. You see that huge North Face sign on the back. Patch right here. And then the little miniature right there on your breast. Like little ties right there, so you can make it tighter. But yeah, it doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit me tight at all, but it doesn't fit me as big as I would want it to be big on me. This is still a very clean jacket. This is not the worst TNF that has dropped. People are lying. People have not seen previous ones that have dropped. Maybe if I remember, I'll put like the worst TNF drop up on the screen compared to this. But yeah, this look, Supreme's dropped so much stuff that would look great with this. Like obviously the Harajuku box logos, the Supreme Snakeskin Air Maxes. Come on, man. Even though it's not the exact same print, it would still look fire with this. I think I saw a picture with that. If I remember, I'll put it up and then I'll show you guys. It didn't actually look that bad. But yeah, it's a shame that like no one really cares for this jacket, because not a bad piece at all. I would have kept it in my collection, but to be honest, I really just want the money, and I'm definitely gonna buy something else with it. But now we're on to the last piece. This was shipped terribly, not with priority, but shout out to the guy on Grail for giving me a great price on this. This is something that I'll definitely keep for the personal, and if not, you'll see it on my Grail link below. Something I'm keeping for the personal. This is gonna make CeeLo or Monopoly games extremely fun. It's right here. It's just a Supreme dice set. Extremely clean, no scratches. Like I said, got this for an amazing price. He said that their brand new dead stock haven't hit anything, so I decided to believe him, I guess. It does look very clean. Actually has like one minor flaw on the S. I'm guessing being from storage in the storage for too long. Right up there. Yeah, other than that, these dice, yeah, they don't look bad. Just have dust here and there. Yeah, like I said, but these Monopoly games will be lit over the summer. If you guys want to lose a gambling game to me, just let me know. We'll definitely play with these dice, and you'll definitely lose. One more time, we'll come in. We'll spin it around one time. But yeah, great small piece to have in the collection. Don't know what I'll do with it yet, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And that was everything that I had for this video. Check out my previous 2 videos that I'll definitely have edited before this. But they'll probably come up after this, but I recorded them beforehand. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, like and subscribe, because apparently if I don't say that, you guys don't do it. And like for more videos once again.